the reason for these projects was to help the world population live longer. That means the planet is more quiet, more practical, so we won't have any disasters. Now you would think that that's a good thing. But there are some people that don't like that idea. They're thinking about end of days. So therefore, they want natural disasters to happen. But we have something here called choice and free will. We have the choice to create and to live in a planet that is not having those extreme weather, extreme disasters. We don't have to have any of it. So I'm hoping that all of those different prophecies that talk about end of days will take it easy and actually allow the planet to live longer if we can help it. Then there are others that only say that this is a good idea, but should we do it? The concern is that, well, it may have side effects, or, well, we really don't know the effects of it. No matter how bad the side effects are, the principle is so good that the side effects will not be as harmful as what we're doing in terms of helping. What we're doing, we're controlling the environment so we don't have any more disasters. You know, when you should have asked, maybe we should stop it and not do it. That was about 50 or 60 years ago. At that time, when we put all of those nuclear waste in barrels and we dropped them in the deepest part of ocean, so that 200 years after that we were expecting to go and pick them up and find a way to get rid of them. That is when we were supposed to say stop. We didn't do that. Those barrels are there, guess what? We didn't just put them there, we dropped them there. Many of them are cracked. That means they don't have 200 years life. They have 50 years, and the 50 years is up. That means the oceans are being polluted right now. Of course, for that I have another solution, that is in terms of simple robots going down there and having larger barrels and putting the smaller barrels in them. And again, I made even that project profitable. I just need people to listen to it. The other thing that we should have said no to, or we should have said stop, was when a few scientists thought that, okay, we have algae. We have in aquariums, we have algae. We want to make sure that those have a longer life. So they manipulated that, and it's really toxic. We didn't care because it was for aquarium. Guess what? Some of them were dropped in the water, and now much of the ocean, especially around Australia, they're suffering. Why? Because they cannot kill it. And it's poisoning everything, and every life that you can imagine is dead there. Again, I have a simple solution for that too. That can be energy source. The same way that we're using corn for oil, use that algae for oil. You cannot kill it, but you can use it up. So the more is produced, the more profitable your process is, and then eventually you limit it because they have really hard time killing it. Because guess what? Because of all of the boats, it gets attached to the bottom of it and goes from ocean to ocean and is spreading all over. That's when we were supposed to say, stop, don't do it. But please, when you get to these projects, don't say that.